Hey, this is Rob Minton with EXP, and I want to do a little quick property tour of a home we just recently sold in 5 days with multiple offers above market value. Now, the reason why I want to walk you through this home specifically is because this home needs some work. The home is a little bit outdated and it needs some cosmetic updates and improvements. It probably could use a new kitchen, a new bathroom, and as you'll see on the outside, it needs some siding and it needs a new roof. So when I met with the seller, he was considering renovating the home, right? He wanted to spend the next 3 or 4 months making the improvements in the home, putting in a new roof, new siding, updating the kitchen and the bathroom. And I told him, don't do it. You're gonna lose money. And in addition, you're gonna have to deal with all of the stress and frustration of dealing with contractors. They delay and they don't do what they say. And it's going to be a frustrating and challenging process to go through. And expensive, right? The cost of home improvements has skyrocketed. In addition to that, you have to pay, he's got to continue making the mortgage payment and utility payments and tax payments. He's got to make sure that the snow is removed and the leaves are removed and the grass and lawn is taken care of. So I said, let's just sell your home now. We'll sell it in 5 days. We'll sell it for the highest possible price, which is exactly what happened. So let's walk through the home. And hopefully this will be helpful for you, because if your home needs some work and you are thinking about selling your home, this video might be helpful for you, because you'll be able to see that you don't need to make these improvements. And in fact, we can sell your home above market value in its as-is condition. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch home, and it's on a slab. So it's a smaller home, and you can see that, there's some holes in the walls. It has carpeting, which, is a little bit outdated. It does not have central air. It has one kind of built-in window air conditioning unit. The kitchen, it might actually be the original kitchen, but it could use new cabinets and new countertops. It does have an eat-in area. One nice thing included with this home is that it did include all the appliances, and connected to the living room is a little laundry room that walks out into the backyard. So a little hallway here to our 1 bathroom, and a smaller bathroom. But the glass block window is pretty cool. It offers some light here, but you can see that the wallpaper is kind of already coming off the walls here. So the home definitely needs some tender loving care. Here's the primary bedroom. It's not a large bedroom, but it does have a little closet here. Older carpeting, which probably needs to be removed and replaced. The walls obviously need painted. Here's the second bedroom. You can see obviously that the carpeting needs to be replaced in this room. This room also needs to be painted and cleaned, and ceilings painted. The closet's here, smaller closet with the electric panel inside. You see that the trim work around the door is missing. And then we're gonna walk into the 3rd bedroom. And once again, we have older carpeting, older wallpaper. The rooms are a little bit dark and outdated. Okay, now that we've walked through the home, I wanted to highlight how many showings we had on this property. And the number of showings you have on your home when it's up for sale is a critical component of selling your home for the highest price possible. And the reason why is the more showings you have, the faster these showings occur, the more competition you have, the more demand you have, the more offers you receive, and the more money you'll make in terms of the sale price of your home. By the way, I'm inside Showing Time. This is the software platform that real estate professionals use to schedule showings on each other's listings. So you can see here that the property actually went live on December 11th, which was a Wednesday at 1:59 p.m. So within minutes of the listing going live, you can see here that these are showing appointments that are being scheduled by real estate professionals. Now, in this column here, by whom, we're going to block that out and keep that confidential. But these are real estate professionals that are showing the home. So within minutes of the home being listed, we have several showings being scheduled. And over here on the right column, you can see when that appointment was for that buyer showing. Some of these showings were scheduled on the 11th, and then those showings occurred on the 12th or 13th or 14th. But several of them, showing appointments set on the 11th, and the showing was actually on the 11th. So within the first few minutes of that property being listed, we had, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 showings within minutes of that property being listed. Now I'm going to click over to the next screen so you can see the rest of the showings on this property. All right, so here is the continuation of those showings. And once again, we're still having showings scheduled on the 11th. These showing times are for the 12th and 14th. Different times the actual appointment is. But you could see that we had probably 10 showings scheduled on the 11th. I think there's another 10 showings here on the 12th, another 10 showings scheduled on the 13th. And then we had a few additional showings on the 14th and the 15th. We had over 36 showings on this home within the span of just 5 days. So I'm going to switch over and show you the offers we received on the home, but understand that these offers would not have come if we did not structure things so that we had a significant number of buyer showings very quickly. And our goal, quite honestly, is we want to structure these showings so the buyers are kind of bumping into each other at the property. We want them to see other buyers looking at your home. And that's important because they now know that if they're interested in your home, there's a lot of competition, which means they're going to have to make a very strong offer on your home. All right, so I'm going to switch over to the offers so you can see what actually happened with this property. This is a screenshot from the online transparent platform we use for offers. We require all buyers to use this platform. So on the screen, you can see the offers that we received, the offer price, and the dates that those offers came in. And understand that other buyers, when they were interested in this home, they see these offers as well. Now, the buyer's name, because I'm the listing agent, I have access to the buyer's information, but when they go to visit this online transparent platform, the buyer's name is kept confidential, but the buyer's offer price is available for them to see, which is really, really important because we want them to compete for the home. So remember, this home was listed on December 11th, and within hours of the listing, we had our first offer come in at $99,900. We had another offer come in minutes later for $100,900. Then on that same day, the offer price jumped from 101 to 120. And then the next day, on the 12th, an offer came in for 125. Then on the 15th, 142. And then our offer deadline was December 16th. And you can see that the final and highest offer came in at 148. This is the offer that the seller accepted. This property is under contract. Another really important aspect of what is on the screen that I want to just pinpoint real quick is that when a buyer makes an offer, so their offer is on the platform, and then if another buyer makes a higher priced offer, they get an instant notification that lets them know that they have been outbid, and that communication that goes to them gives them an opportunity to revise their bid. So if you notice here, the top two offers, these buyers had revised their bids. So they had offered an initial amount and came back and bid higher. And this is what typically happens. The top buyer is a buyer that has revised their bid at least one time, and maybe they do it 2 or 3 times because they really want the property. So I hope this video was helpful for you. The goal of the video was to illustrate how we are able to sell homes in any condition, in any price range, within 5 days, multiple offers for the highest sale price possible. And if you would like to learn more about how we do this, you can schedule a call with us at the calendar below this video. And during that call, we can talk about your home. We can see if your home qualifies for our program. I can answer your questions. And if it's a good fit, we can lay out a plan to get your home sold very quickly and for the highest price possible. Thank you for watching the video.